Step 1. Click on the Crazy Talk icon. Click Continue. If you have already used Crazy Talk and saved the model, you can open it here under Custom. To import an image, click on the face icon. Search for the file you want. You have the option to crop the photo or rotate it the correct way. When happy, click Next. Drag the numbered dots to the corners of the eyes and mouth. If your picture is too big or small, you can zoom in and out. Click OK. Test your picture by clicking play.
Hello, welcome. You have successfully accessed tools to produce fully immersive video, web.
To fine-tune the movements, click on these icons for basic or detailed fine-tuning. Adjust the dots by dragging them to the correct position.
Hello, welcome. You have successfully accessed tools.
You can change the facial settings by clicking here. You can alter the teeth, eyes and lips.
Hello, welcome. You have successfully accessed.
Once you are happy with your model, click on Script. It's a good idea to save the model if you want to use it again. You can pimp your model by giving it different emotions or visual features. To deselect a change, click on Neutral.
Welcome. You have successfully accessed tools to produce fully immersive video. Hello, welcome. You have successfully accessed tools to produce fully immersive video, web, and mobile-ready content.
To record voice or sounds, click on the red circle and follow the prompts. You can choose to use an external mic or the built-in recorder. We use a cheap CoinSave mic. Once happy, you need to import the file so that it can be used in other programs.
Blah 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 blah.
To do this, click Media. Choose your file format and save. To save as a message or send as an end card, choose these options here. If you have any questions, post them in the Animaniacs Ning group. This video was made using free screen video capture.